Just did some bathroom demo, and I need to get rid of these supply lines, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these pipes off, and I'll make another video on that. I'm just using these 10 snips. I mean, you can use other things. This is something that I have on hand, something that's cheap that I got that you can use. So I just make little videos like this for tips and tricks on how to remodel houses and things like that. So if you like this, go to some of my other videos and check them out. There's one, and I'm gonna do this same thing on this toilet supply line behind me. The toilet's already removed and it's gone, and I'm gonna cut lines on that too. So there's that, and I'll make another video on removing these. I'm gonna cut this one over here too. Okay. I'm gonna get it. I almost got it. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Here it is right here. This is from the toilet. I cut it with the same thing right here. And that's about all you need to know on that, I imagine.